This is TV18 and you're watching CNBC TV18.
Presented by Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council. Powered by GIA. Media partner CNBC TV18.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Good evening, everybody, and hello, Jaipur. I'd like to welcome all of you to the award ceremony of the Gem Jewelry Export Promotion Council. मैं Mr. Praveen Shankar Pandya, Chairman GJEPC को बुलाना चाहूंगी to deliver the welcome address.
This industry is a classic example of Make in India. You know, it is from a mere 25,000 workers way back in late 60s. In diamond industry today we have 1 million workforce, and it is this industry which has constantly appropriated the business from Israel, from Belgium, from all the nations, and it has not allowed China to enter into our business. I think there is a tremendous opportunity to all of you sitting here who can really take advantage of this situation and improve skills of your workers, improve skills of the people you want to employ. The government is supporting you. You must take this advantage. Thank you.
I would now like to request Chief Guest Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister of State Independent Charge for Power, Coal, New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, to say a few words.
आज कई अवार्डीज को अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं फॉर वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस, और मैं तहे दिल से आप सबका बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत आगे के लिए भी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं इन सभी अवार्डीज को। और अवार्ड्स की एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मैसेज होता है, जिनको अवार्ड मिलता है एक रिकग्निशन होती है उनके अच्छे काम की, लेकिन जिनको अवार्ड नहीं मिलता है उन सबके लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा संदेश होता है और प्रोत्साहन का एक मौका होता है, कैसे उनको प्रोत्साहित किया जाए कि वो और अच्छा काम करें और तेजी से आगे बढ़े व्यापार में। एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर कंप्लीटिंग 50 years दिस ईयर। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
We'll begin the award ceremony, and our first award is for cut and polished diamonds, highest turnover, and the winner is Kiran Gems Private Limited. Please join us on stage. We also have two runners-up. Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited. Our second runner-up is Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited. Please join us on stage. Many congratulations. We move on to our next awards, which is for cut and polished diamonds large.
Nominations for cut and polished diamonds in subcategory large are Kiran Gems Private Limited, Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited, Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited and Kapoor Gems.
और इस अवार्ड के विनर भी किरण जेम्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ही हैं। Our next award is for cut and polished diamonds medium. Let's have a look at the nominees AV.
Nominations for cut and polished diamonds in subcategory medium are Narola Gems, Samarth Diamond, Hari Darshan Exports Private Limited and Ratnakala Exports Private Limited.
And the winner is Narola Gems. Our next award is for cut and polished diamonds small.
Nominations for cut and polished diamonds in subcategory small are Glow Star, Red XL, Royal Impex and V. Suresh Kumar and Company.
और इसे जीता है ग्लो स्टार ने। on to our next award, which is for precious metal jewelry, plain, large.
Nominations for precious metal jewelry plain in subcategory large are PC Jeweler Limited, SCG Exports Private Limited, and Vallabhji Mulsi and Company.
And the winner is PC Jeweler Limited. Agla award is for precious metal jewelry, studded, large.
Nominations for precious metal jewelry studded in subcategory large are Renaissance Jewelry Limited and KBS Creations.
And the winner is Renaissance Jewelry Limited. Hamara Agla award is for precious metal jewelry, plain, medium.
Nominations for precious metal jewelry plain in subcategory medium are Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited and Jurassic Refiners and Jewels Private Limited.
And the winner is Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited. Our next award is for precious metal jewelry, studded, medium.
Nominations for precious metal jewelry studded in subcategory medium are Kiran Jewelry, HK Designs India and Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited.
And the winner is HK Designs India. Let's move on to our next award, precious metal jewelry, plain and studded, small.
Nominations for precious metal jewelry, plain and studded in subcategory small are Anmol Swarn India Private Limited, Vasupati Jewellers, Ashok Jewels and Shri Mumbai Krupa Jewellers.
And the winner is Vashupati Jewellers. Now let's get rolling towards stones. Hamara Agla award is for cut and polished colored gemstones.
Nominations for cut and polished colored gemstones are RMC Gems India Limited, Friends International, Anubhav Gems Private Limited and Ashok Jewellers.
And the winners are
RMC Gems India Limited.
We also have a runner-up in this category, and it's yet another company from Jaipur. And the name of that company is Friends International. Our next award is for silver jewelry.
Nominations for silver jewelry are Vaibhav Global Limited, Agra Products Private Limited, Derewala Industries Limited and Shivam Exports.
And the winner is Vaibhav Global Limited. We also have a runner-up in this category, Derewala Industries Limited. Our next award is for costume fashion jewelry.
Nominations for costume fashion jewelry are Derewala Industries Limited, Amrapali Exports, Creative Designs and Karma Enterprise.
And the winner is Derewala Industries Limited again. Our next award is for cut and polished synthetic stones. Let's have a look at the nominees.
Nominations for cut and polished synthetic stones are Industrial Jewels Private Limited and Shri Govind Gems Private Limited.
And the winner is Industrial Jewels Private Limited. I believe that there's nobody here from the company to accept their award, but many congratulations to them all the same. We move on to our next award, which is for sales to foreign tourists. Let's have a look at the nominees, AV.
Nominations for sales to foreign tourists are the Gem Palace and Silver and Art Palace.
And the winner is one of the Pink City's true institutions, the Silver and Art Palace. The next award winner has been showing the way to the jewelry industry for many, many years. All of you know him and respect him. He is more than just a great jeweler, he is also a gem of a person. His company, the Lucky Group, has been at the forefront of numerous charitable initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the winner of this year's Lifetime Achievement Award, Mr. Dilip Kumar V. Lucky. Mr. Lucky, please join us on the dais.
GIA is a not-for-profit organization, and it's the world's foremost authority in gemology. It sets standards for in the gemological world, and hence we think it appropriate to associate with the event where there are award winners. They are setting new standards, they are setting new benchmarks, and it is about excellence.
Creators of 4 Cs of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
This week, UTI Mutual Fund and CNBC TV18's Financial Advisor Awards takes its 4th and final City Forum to Mumbai.
Any move towards more market alignment is clearly going to get people to think about the relationship between risk and reward. The dialogue with an advisor is about helping you discover where your risk appetite lies.
Watch the Power Pack show this weekend only on CNBC TV18.
Presenting sponsor UTI Mutual Fund. हक एक बेहतर जिंदगी का. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. Powered by ICRA.
Here we go.
Train your brain for the ultimate battle of wits. Presenting Tata Crucible Campus Quiz 2016. Participate in India's largest and highest rated business quiz. To register, log on to www.tatacrucible.com. Tata, leadership with trust. CNBC TV18 now brings you the greatest investment opportunity. 3 books that'll change your relationship with money. 16 personal finance principles every investor should know. A book that introduces the basics of money and investments. How to be your own financial planner in 10 steps. Your guide to wealth without the complex formulas. And 11 principles to achieve financial freedom. A book that'll empower your wealth creation. Master your financial life. SMS CD Master to 51818 or mail us at cd@network18online.com.
ये तुम्हारे बर्थडे के लिए जो मैं भूल गया था, हैप्पी बर्थडे। और ये हमारे एनिवर्सरी के लिए जो भी मैं भूल गया था, बिलेटेड एनिवर्सरी।
और ये किस लिए?
ये शायद कुछ और भूल जाओ तो।
Presenting Flexia Collection, India's first detachable jewelry line from PC Jeweler.
if Carlsberg did board meetings,
I gotta get to this meeting.
they would probably be the best board meetings in the world.
Refreshments?
But you know what we do? Carlsberg Club glasses, probably the best in the world. Creators of Fosse's of diamond quality. The world's foremost authority in grading colored stones. Creators of 7 pearl value factors. Leading the way in gemology education. We are GIA, the world's foremost authority in gemology. A legacy of over 80 years.
The world banks on our jewelry industry, but who do our jewelers bank on? Our next 4 awards salute the banks who have always been there for the industry. Here's our first award in this category. The award for the best bank financing the industry for highest finance sanctioned for exports goes to IndusInd Bank Limited. Please join us on stage. IndusInd Bank Limited. The award for the best bank financing the industry for highest limit sanctioned goes to India's largest and most respected bank, the State Bank of India. A big round of applause for the winners. Please join us on stage. Many congratulations to the State Bank of India. We also have a runner-up in this category, and that is IndusInd Bank Limited. We move now to our next award. The award for the best bank financing the industry with the highest number of clients goes to the State Bank of India, yet again. We do have one last award in the banking category. The award for the best bank financing the industry for the highest growth and limits sanctioned goes to IndusInd Bank Limited. Congratulations once again. Our next award goes to the most socially responsible company of the year.
Nominations for most socially responsible company are Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited, Star Rays and Vaibhav Global Limited.
And I'm very happy to note that we have 2 joint winners. Our first co-winner is Vaibhav Global Limited. Please join us on stage to collect your award. Many congratulations. And if we could also invite on stage the co-winner of this award, Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited. Many congratulations. The power of youth is like a genie in a lamp. It can do wonders. Our next award celebrates that dynamism.
Nominations for Emerging Company of the Year are Ashok Jewels, Red XM and Shri Mobai Krupa Jewelers.
We have joint winners for the Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year. I'd like to first call Red XM, helmed by Sujal Shah, on stage to collect their award. Sharing the Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year are Shri Mobai Krupa Jewelers. If I could invite Mr. Mehulji to please join us on stage to collect your award. Our next award salutes the year's most innovative company.
Nominations for Most Innovative Company are Lemon Technomist Private Limited, Carrot Lane Trading Private Limited, Derewala Industries Limited and Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited.
And we have joint winners again. I would first like to request Lemon Technomist Private Limited to join us on stage. Many congratulations. I would now like to call Derewala Industries, who improved their metal across metals from zinc to gold, to come up and collect their award. Our next award is for the Best Growing Company of the Year, Medium.
Nominations for Best Growing Company of the Year in subcategory Medium are Narola Gems, Jodhani Brothers and Hari Darshan Exports Private Limited.
And the winner is...
Narola Gems!
Yes!
Next up, we have the big brother of the previous award. Let's have a look at the nominees AV.
Nominations for Best Growing Company of the Year in subcategory Large are Kiran Gems Private Limited, Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited and Kapu Gems.
And the award for the Best Growing Company of the Year, Large, goes to
Hari Krishna
Exports Private Limited.
Let's have a look at the nominees AV for the Best E-Commerce Enterprise in Gems and Jewelry.
Nominations for Best in Gems and Jewelry E-Commerce are Carrot Lane Trading Private Limited, Bodhi Brands Private Limited, Velvet Case and Star Rays.
Can I please ask Bodhi Brands Private Limited to join us on stage? That brings us to an award that I am actually very attached to. It salutes the Woman Entrepreneur of the Year.
Nominations for Women Entrepreneur of the Year are House of Marigold, Kashi Jewelers, Midas Designer Jewelry and Mine of Design.
I'm so happy to tell you that we have 2 co-winners, so more power to us women. The first joint winner of the Women Entrepreneur of the Year is Kashi Jewelers. We do have a co-winner of this award, and the name of the co-winner is Mine of Design, the creation of Ambar Paridhi Sahai. Moving on, this next award recognizes the true worth of gold. The award for the best agency supplying gold goes to the Bank of Nova Scotia for an unprecedented 8th year in a row. Our next award is for the Importer of the Year, and the winner is Kiran Exports Hong Kong Limited. Please join us on stage, Kiran Exports Hong Kong Limited. We also have a runner-up, RA Gem Center Limited. The award for the Best Clearing Agent Freight Forwarder of the Year goes to BVC Logistics Private Limited. It's now time to recognize and salute employees who have completed over 25 years within their organizations. Our first employee of the year is Mrs. Rama Shahadpuri, who has been part of the GJEPC for 35 years. Our next Employee of the Year award goes to Mr. Mithilesh Pandey, who has been part of GJEPC for 25 years. Congratulations, sir. Our third Employee of the Year award goes to Mr. Suresh Birvatkar, who has been part of GJEPC for 25 years again. Many congratulations.
And now we come to the last award of the evening. India is the world's largest exporter of jewelry, but who is India's largest exporter of jewelry?
Nominations for Exporter of the Year are Kiran Gems Private Limited, Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited, Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited, and BC Jeweller Limited.
And the exporter of the year is
Kiran Gems Private Limited.
Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
You see, we were a sponsor in this event for in the year 2013, and this is our second year of association. We are exporting handmade jewelry since long time. So we feel that this association is very good for us because it is a platform.
I think everybody, whoever is working in the industry should be encouraged, and this is the right platform for each and everyone, all category of people, whether it's diamond, gold, importer, exporter, all of them.
Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Presented by Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council. Powered by GIA. Media partner CNBC TV 18.